Imagine waking up and casually giving your employees 20,000 rands each because it's your birthday. And then after that, you go and buy yourself a custom-made Rolls Royce and a mansion allegedly worth over 200 million rands in Cape Town. That's exactly why my soul is trending right now and the internet is completely divided.
My soul, my soul, my soul. Ay, 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 ay. It's a comedy.
Happy birthday to me, James. There's a brava son of 102 series.
As I said that the internet is kind of divided, some people are saying that he's moving too loud and attracting unnecessary attention to himself, while others are celebrating him and saying that we should be happy to see a black man like him living the kind of life that he's living. One social media said, "What hurts me is seeing so many negative comments about my soul, especially from our own people. Sometimes black people will wish for your downfall just because you are finally enjoying your money and success. We can be our own worst enemies instead of supporting and uplifting each other. Not everyone wants to see the next person succeed. Fix your heart." Another user on X said, "I cannot wait for his day at Madlanga Commission. He must tell the country how he accumulated so much wealth in less than 10 years when he only established his business in 2018. Yo, so kuyabonakala nje ukuthi wonke umuntu ufuna ukuthi lo muntu a-investigatwe. Wonke umuntu ufuna ukuthi uMy Soul bam-investigate ukuthi bathole ukuthi uyitholaphi enhle kule mali, kuza kanjani ukuthi abe nemali eningi kanje, whereas ibhizinisi yakhe iqale nini, uyi-establish 2018 kodwa unemali engaka yokuyenza izinto eziningi kanje. So yeah man, people nje bafuna ukuthi My Soul a-investigate. You know, and the unfortunate part about this whole thing is that we live in a country full of corruption. Nje abantu abaningi siyazi ukuthi bathola imali zabo or they accumulate their wealth through shady deals. Ukuthi manje sesicabanga ukuthi wonke umuntu nje makanemali kusho ukuthi okay naye hayi kumele simbheke ukuthi uyithola kanjani, kumele sim-investigate. Ile life esiyiphilayo manje le ukuthi asisakwazi nokuthi singajabulela umuntu sithi okay na congratulations my dog usebenzile. Sihlezi sinama questions ukuthi okay uyithola leyo mali, kusho ukuthi hey khona into eyenza eshady, because ngibone nabanye ba-comment bathi ayikho lento imali eningi kanje bezosebenza ukusiza i-community, ukusiza i-country nani why aspenda imali eningi kanjani manje umuntu seyangasaspendi nemali yakhe, so uyabona nje ukuthi nje lesikhathi esiphila kuso manje nje kunzima nje siquestiona yonke into, asathembi lutho. Kunzima ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi asathembi lutho, yonke into nje siyibonayo sifuna ukuyiquestiona before siyibelieve, yabo.